During his historic 1960 to orbital flight aboard Aurora 7, astronaut Scott Carpenter carried out a series of scientific experiments designed to help scientists better understand how humans and objects behave in space. The mission was part of Project Mercury, the first American effort to send astronauts into orbit and safely return them to Earth. One of the key focuses of Carpenter's mission was studying weightlessness, also known as microgravity. At the time, scientists still had many questions about how the human body would function in space. Would astronauts be able to move normally? Could they perform precise tasks? Would their vision or coordination be affected? To help answer these questions, Carpenter performed several small experiments while orbiting Earth. One experiment involved releasing small objects, including liquids and particles, inside the spacecraft to observe how they behaved in a weightless environment. In microgravity, objects do not fall like they do on Earth. They float freely, moving with even the smallest motion or air current. These observations helped scientists better understand fluid behavior and motion in space. Another important set of experiments involved Earth observation. As Aurora 7 traveled around the planet, Carpenter looked down at Earth's oceans, clouds, and landforms. He reported seeing beautiful blue colors in the atmosphere and noted how sunlight reflected off the ocean's surface. These visual observations helped scientists learn how astronauts could identify weather patterns and natural features from orbit. Carpenter also participated in a light visibility experiment organized by NASA. Scientists on the ground released bright lights and flares at specific locations to see whether astronauts could spot them from orbit. Carpenter successfully observed several of these signals, proving that astronauts could visually locate ground targets from space. This was important for future missions that would rely on astronauts identifying landing zones, landmarks, or rescue signals. Although the mission lasted only about 5 hours and completed 3 orbits of Earth, Carpenter's experiments provided valuable early data about living and working in space. These findings helped engineers and scientists improve spacecraft design and prepare astronauts for longer missions. The knowledge gained from Aurora 7 played a role in advancing America's human space flight program, paving the way for later achievements such as Project Gemini and eventually the Apollo program. Scott Carpenter's work in orbit demonstrated that astronauts could conduct scientific research while traveling around Earth, an idea that would become central to all future